What's going on, everyone? Let's do a weekly closing review. Friday's trading hours are over. Here's a weekly chart on the dollar. Clearly a blatant breakout. Flat top break here, clearing previous highs. And again, you can see the OBV just kind of straight up. See how that turns out though. Many countries are dumping the dollar around the world, so I don't know how long this is going to last, or it's just a fake rally. I'm not sure yet. Here's the close. Could still just turn around on a dime though. Could just turn out to be the worst head and shoulders top ever. But not anytime soon. Doesn't seem like it. Closing on its highs. It's very bullish for the next week. There's a gap and run in the Treasury note. 10-year Treasury. Weekly close, closing near its highs, coming into resistance. Previous highs. It's got previous highs to deal with, previous lows, all the way up. So it looks bullish from here, but it's running into resistance as always. And you can finally see the breakout on the upside. Gap and run. S&P kind of hit a wall after yesterday. Let's see how we close for the week. Pretty close near its highs. It did make a new opposing point. Lots of support on the way down. Closing near its highs, a little bullish, I think. But on the daily, it did hit a wall. So let's actually see if we can go 4-hour term. See if we can find a reversal bar in the short term. There's a 3-bar pattern. Look for previous low breaks. See if this thing will hold up or not. Looks pretty bearish on the short term. S&P, the VIX. Let's see, monthly. Pretty volatile this month. It's not above the 34, but see what happens. Dow Jones, looks like another new high. Maybe. No. Still got that high flying pennant, which is a bullish consolidation. You can see that pennant flag. It's a bullish. Look for previous high breaks as the pattern breaks. And it's got the higher lows. It's got the lower highs. Price is in a pinch. It's got to make a decision sooner or later. Pretty tight. The tighter those patterns get, the bigger the move. Let's look at the NASDAQ. Looks like it hit a wall as well. Weekly close. Down and dirty. So it's closed below the EMA 8 and the 13. Price is in a pinch on a close. Very easily could be a bullish 3-bar pattern, but we'll see how and when it breaks above or below. Price is in a pinch between support and resistance. See where that ends up. Crude, looks like we got a bounce, finally. We also got a rejection. Back into the pattern, was rejected. It's got to close up in here. consolidate, get inside that pinch. Right now it's just in la la land, probably coming back down to support. Looks like. Weekly close. Looks like a bearish pattern. Bearish retracement back into the pattern after the breakdown. See where it goes. Nothing's for certain, especially if it breaks on the upside previous highs. So we'll see. The coal index, it's real quick on a weekly chart. Looks like a pop today, came back. Got a double top to deal with. We got a reversal bar to break. But right now we got higher lows. So I'll look for a flat top break on a coal index. Shanghai came down into support. Let's see how the week closes out. Nice. Look at that nasty candle. Whoa. That's a weekly chart. Falling star. Let's see how far it falls. I was bullish until I just saw that. Nothing's confirmed yet. It's got to close. It's got to knock it out. It's got to take out previous lows. But that is a tailor-made falling star. Look at that. Very nice. Support at 31.41. See how that turns out. Weekly close on Nikkei, closing near its highs. Let's see if we came back into support at all. Nope. Nope. Gap and run, gap and run. Looks pretty bullish. No retracement needed. The gold VIX. Let's keep this on a monthly chart and see the long-term VIX on this. So far for the month, we are above the 34. Volatility is rough. Let's see how high we can get this thing. Looks like we're closing on a week below the 34 average on a monthly chart. How low can we go? Jeff Nielsen's calling this a fake rally. We haven't come to a double bottom yet, but it's close. Let's see if we can get a churn on Sunday. We need to get way above the averages. We need to get above here on a weekly chart. We've been below the EMA 8 for quite a while now. And where was the breakdown? Right here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 weeks below the EMA 8 on a weekly chart. Just horrible. Jeff, like I said, Jeff Nielsen is calling this a false breakout. I'm showing support on a monthly chart. I'm calling this a bullish retracement, consolidation phase. So sooner or later, let's see if we can find a reversal point. So we've got some sideways action on the 4-hour chart. Came back into resistance. Where are you, reversal bar? We got higher lows. Came across the EMA 8 on an hourly chart and still in consolidation. Came down as far as 1202. Came across. Looks like we're coming in. We're basing on an hour chart, so that's good. See if we got to keep it up. Higher lows. Keep above the EMA 8 at all costs. Minor reversal bar. 2-hour chart came across EMA 8 and consolidated. That's the accumulation phase right there. Yeah, so we got some bullish retracing, but a lot of work to do. We got previous highs, our previous lows to break into, all the way up, 13 weeks worth. Just a load of crap. Let's take a look at the OBV, see what's going on. It's like a bearish flag on the OBV. See, the OBV is up, but we got sideways here. Let's see, long term OBV. Where are you? Probably an easier way to do this. Oh my god. It's probably just not reading it. It's just not reading it. Waste of time right there. Anywho, the weekly close is closing near its lows, near a double bottom. We need a churn. If it breaks previous lows, previous low, we got previous lows over here where it's breaking back into the previous pattern. So let's not do that, but we got plenty of support on the way down. And of course, on a monthly chart, we've got pretty damn near complete the bullish retracement, and we need a churn. Silver, same thing. Closing near or close to its lows. Silver, on the other hand, is no. Same. Crossing the 34 on a monthly chart. The bullish retracement is in. It crossed over previous opposing point. So now I got another new opposing point. So we need a churn. It is, let's check the weekly close on the, there, coming off an oversold situation. So there we have it. We need to find that bottom. And if the dollar keeps going the way it is, I might not see it. Got a bounce, not very big, but small bounce, no reversal bars. No reversal bars. 4-hour chart, we got a 2-bar pattern here. Boom, boom, boom. But that 2-bar pattern is bearish. So let's pick up the pace. Let's see if we can get across and consolidate and grab some legs. We do have 3 wicks pointing bottom. Not very long-legged wicks, but could stipulate a bottom on silver on the short-term chart. Wait for a breakout on gold-silver ratio. For the week, I think we did get above previous highs and it came back in. So a little throwback. Silver was the better buy this week. Copper, still doing its thing. Now it's in consolidation phase. High-level consolidation would be greatly appreciated. But we got 2 nasty falling stars to deal with. So we'll see how far this comes back down into support. GDX looks like the 1 day put it in a double bottom. Let's see how we close for the week. The week, no reversal bar, but we did get a bounce. Same thing, same thing, same thing. It's getting closer to a reversal bar, an inverted hammer. Closer. Let us see, go back to, let's go GDXJ, it always looks better. Let's see if we can find a reversal. There's a 2. There, well, alright, let's start over. A, B, bottom, higher low. Could be a bottom. It's a good indication of one so far. Hourly chart, looks like we got the AB bottom here, cruising across, nice U, failed. It's got a lot of work to do, but it's looking good. I noticed a, let's see. Copper stock, since we're on copper. Western Copper, I was noticing on the weekly chart, you can see now a little bullish action going on. Look for previous highs on WRN, copper and gold. Higher lows came off. We got kind of like a W here. Look for previous high breaks. Closed above the EMA 813. Closed on its highs. Looks good for a long-term run or a long-term chart breakout. Look at the flat top break on the monthly as it broke out, came back into support in its higher lows since. Look for previous high breaks. That was the only one I noticed. NAK was still consolidating, came down to 115, I believe. And this guy failed to break out yet. Weekly close, looks like it broke previous highs and then came back into support. Previous high. So a little throwback, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, blah, blah, blah. See if we can get a breakout soon. Other than that, that's just the weekly close. See what happens Sunday. We definitely need a bounce on gold and silver, as the monthly chart could, in fact, break down. I'll see you guys.